kind of thunder was that?
That was my stomach growling. Since someone lost the way and then threw away all the food, I feel hungry.
I put my friends in this situation. I'm going to fix it. We will all find food. Don't worry. Now I'll awaken my instincts first. Then I will turn into a hunter. Okay, I'm ready to hunt grass and fruits. Fresh greens. Delicious. Where did you find that? Hazelnut. Num 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 num. Where? Spicy, spicy, spicy.